Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna take a look how dynamic galleries with products of a chosen category works. This is a template solution provided by Bcommute.com, which forms dynamic galleries from Google Sheets. It's gonna search one column for exact match of a one keyword. So let's just install it in a couple clicks. Choose the Google account, choose the Manychat account, already linked to Bcommute, and just install it. So once the installation was completed, you'll get this message. What that means? That means that in your Bcommute account you will see two configurations appeared. Everything is pre-configured for this template, and in your Google account you will see a brand new spreadsheet called BC Sheet Sample or BC Sheet Sample 1, 2 or 3. It depends on how many templates you install. It contains the sheet with the example filled with some products just to show how it works. And there are also a couple of URLs that you're gonna use for dynamic content setup inside of your Manychat flow. So let's install the Manychat template. It's pretty easy. Dynamic galleries from Google Sheets. Just click install. So the flow is called search Google Sheets with one search word. It looks like this, extremely simple. So just to make it work, you just have to direct link. All the tips you can find right here, how it should look like. You have to copy this link since each of these URLs is unique for each user. So let's copy this one and just paste. Take a note that it's a request type post and there's a full subscribers data already added into the request body. Click save. And that's it. Let's take a quick look at the flow. There's a starting step. Basically here just all the custom fields that are used are listed. Two dynamic content blocks and the final message, and that's it. This is just a technical note which I'm gonna explain a little bit later. So let's publish this and click preview. Well, let's go step by step here. This dynamic content uses a really cool feature. It's called each unique. So what it does, it goes to the column B of your spreadsheet and takes each unique value that it can find. So as you can see in column B, I have like a bunch of these different categories. So what it will do, it will go step by step and pick each one which is unique. So it will take the first one, the burgers, then it will skip all others because it's already found this category type. Then it will get another value which is pizza, and then it will skip all others, and it will go through all unique words in this column. Basically it looks like this. So these fields that are yellow will be picked up, all others will be skipped since they are the same, and that's the result that you can see right here in your chatbot. That's it. So after that we have just one button here named choose one. As you can see, the setup of this button is right here. It's a go to message button. That means that it will upon the click it will go to the next message, this one. Here it is. And also once you click the button, it will save this food type. We have here meat or soup or salad. It will take just the value from column B and save it to the custom field named BC searchword 1. The value from this custom field we will use later to search the same spreadsheet for the products of the certain category in the next dynamic content node. We also have this node over here. I left it just to show you how it works, that you can just remove this node and use the custom one. It has a user input with a reply type multiple choice, so you all know those are quick replies that you can save the response to a custom field. And as you can see, I am saving the response to this custom field, to the same custom field that I'm gonna use later to search through the spreadsheets for the products that the subscriber has chosen. So basically it's doing exactly the same, but just as a user input and quick replies, and over here it's gonna show us the gallery cards. So let's take a look how it works. And here we are. We have all the different products of the same category, which is soup. In the spreadsheet it will look like this. It will go through the column B, searching for the value that we've saved to the custom field named BC searchword 1. And when we click this button, and the word soup was saved to this custom field, and then in the next dynamic content block it goes to a spreadsheet and searches the column B for this word, and once it finds it, it's taking the value from column A as a title, the value from column D as a subtitle, and there are also the picture getting from this column, and there are also two buttons. As you can see, we have here like more than 10 items, so definitely we have a view more button because the list is ending at the soup 9, and we have a little bit more here, so let's click view more. And here we are, the rest of the products of this category are right here. Let's go next and see what else this dynamic content does. As you were searching the food type, the column B for exact match of the value from this custom field. We are using title, subtitle, and picture, and there are two buttons. One of them is taking us back to the starting step, which is not starting step, but just this node. As you can see, here's the name. Here it is. And once you click choose this, it's gonna take us to another message, this one. As you can see, the name of the message, the title is right here, and upon this button click, what it's gonna do, it's gonna pick up the value from column A and save it to the custom field named become chosen item, and it's gonna get the value from this column, the price, and save it to the custom field named become item price. So those are the custom fields that we're gonna use to catch the subscriber's choice, which item he or she has chosen, and the item price, and we're gonna show them in this message where we're going. Click on this button, so let's do it. And here we are. Here's the message, and here's the chosen items and the price. That's pretty much it. And that's how it works. Install the template from bcommute.com and start using it in a couple simple clicks.